Montani Mechanical Group now offers phone tech support.
Thank you for calling MMG. This is Ambrosia. How can I help you? Oh my goodness, you have a stocked up toilet? I am so sorry. I can definitely help you with that. Have you tried plunging it?
Hi, thanks for calling MMG. This is Stacy. How may I help you? Ew, so your air conditioning's not working? I don't know. Have you tried beating it with a hammer? Listen, I'm gonna be real with you. What you're saying is super boring right now, and it's really cutting into my selfie time. I don't know, maybe Google it. Okay, bye.
Thank you for calling Montana Mechanical. How may I help you? You have no power? Have you tried turning your light switch on? Have you tried paying your bill? You have. You'd like my name? It's Brave.
Oh, you have a dripping faucet? Okay, I can definitely help you with that. So, have you tried turning it off? That didn't work? Have you tried super gluing it? No, I would either suggest super gluing it or duct taping it. That might stop that drip.
That's it. I'm out of here. I can't take this anymore.
Just kidding. Call Montani Mechanical Group for all of your heating, cooling, plumbing, and electrical needs, and not tech support.